Crack open the secret to muscle growth with eggs, an absolute marvel of nature's perfect protein package. They are loaded with essential amino acids and an abundance of vitamins and minerals. Eggs are immensely versatile and can be incorporated into your diet in various delicious ways. Adding further charm, they are pocket-friendly, making them an easily accessible powerhouse for everyone on their fitness journey. Transitioning to our next protein-packed food, we have the ever-reliable chicken breast, a staple in every bodybuilder's diet. This lean, low-fat source of protein is exceptionally rich in muscle-building amino acids. Whether you prefer it grilled or in a stir-fry, chicken breast is not only a delectable choice but also an affordable way to keep your muscles fueled and healthy. Finally, we turn our attention to Greek yogurt, a creamy, protein-laden titan that stands apart from other protein sources. It boasts double the protein content of regular yogurt, an ample supply of muscle-boosting calcium, and gut-friendly probiotics. It's a perfect ingredient for your post-workout treat or protein shake. Plus, the of Greek yogurt in a multitude of flavors makes it a delightful, budget-friendly snack option. There you have it, the top 3 affordable, protein-rich foods to turbocharge your muscle growth. Incorporate these into your diet for a noticeable difference in your muscle development. Witness your muscles thrive like never before, all within your budget. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more fitness wisdom.